The first step. Download. Install the app, then open it. The second step, click Load a photo and select the image to be edited. The third step, click Zoom Image to make it easier to edit the image. Step 4, click the Auto tool to remove the back of the image you want to delete. Step 5, click Done and adjust the smoothness of the image to make it look neat. Step 6, click Save the finished image. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and activate the bell, so you don't miss our latest video.